Have you ever wondered why, no matter how hard you try, success always feels just out of reach? Like you're running toward a finish line that keeps moving further away? It's not because you're not talented enough. It's not because you're not working hard enough. It's because no one ever told you the truth. Success isn't built in days, weeks, or even months. If you don't understand this one principle, you'll keep chasing quick wins and missing out on the life you deserve. Most people live in a cycle of frustration because they expect immediate results. They plant a seed and get angry when a tree doesn't grow overnight. But the truth is, success is a long game. It's about planting seeds and being patient enough to nurture them even when you don't see anything growing yet. Think about it. Every person you admire, every success story you look up to, they weren't built overnight. They endured days, months, sometimes years of silence, failure, and doubt. They kept showing up long after the excitement wore off. They understood something most people don't. The actions you take today aren't for today's results. They're for the life you're building years from now. Imagine if you treated your goals like a farmer treats his crops. He doesn't plant a seed and dig it up the next morning to check if it's growing. He trusts the process. He waters it. He protects it. He waits, knowing the reward is coming. But if you don't believe in the long game, you'll sabotage yourself every time it gets tough. Every time you don't see immediate progress, you'll think you failed, when in reality, you were just one step away. You have to ask yourself, am I willing to play the long game? Am I willing to sacrifice comfort today for greatness tomorrow? Because success demands patience, resilience, and the courage to believe in something you can't see yet. It's not about massive, dramatic changes overnight. It's about quiet, consistent actions that compound over time. The truth is, your future self is depending on the choices you make today. Your dreams are counting on you to stay in the game when no one's watching, when no one's cheering, when no results are showing up yet. The only difference between those who succeed and those who don't is that successful people kept going when others gave up. They had a long-term mindset. They trusted that the pain today would become the power tomorrow. And so can you. If you truly want to succeed, stop asking, how fast can I get there? Start asking, how far am I willing to go? Because real success isn't rushed. It's forged, slowly, patiently, relentlessly. And if you're willing to stay in the fight long enough, if you're willing to show up every day even when it feels pointless, I promise you, one day, you'll wake up living a life you once only dreamed about. And it will all be worth it.